Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve calcium in your body. To begin, focus on your daily diet. Incorporate foods like dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified cereals. Next, understand the crucial role of vitamin D. It helps your body absorb calcium effectively. Finally, remember that physical activity, especially weight-bearing exercises, strengthens your bones and helps them retain calcium. These steps are fundamental for maintaining strong bones and overall health. Let's dive into specific food sources that are packed with calcium. Dairy products are well known for their high calcium content. A single cup of milk or yogurt can provide around 300 milligrams. If you prefer non-dairy options, leafy green vegetables like kale, collard greens, and broccoli are fantastic choices. Also, look for fortified foods such as certain orange juices, plant-based milks, and breakfast cereals, which have added calcium to help you reach your daily intake goals. Simply consuming calcium isn't enough. Your body needs to absorb it properly. Vitamin D is absolutely critical for this process, acting like a key that unlocks calcium absorption. You can get vitamin D from sunlight exposure, fatty fish, or supplements. Additionally, be mindful of factors that can reduce absorption. High-sodium foods can cause your body to excrete more calcium, and excessive caffeine or alcohol intake might also interfere with how well your body utilizes this vital mineral. Beyond diet, your lifestyle significantly impacts calcium levels. Engaging in regular weight-bearing exercises, like walking, jogging, or lifting weights, helps strengthen your bones and encourages them to retain calcium. If your dietary intake isn't meeting your needs, calcium supplements can be an option, but always discuss this with your doctor to determine the right dosage. Also, for those looking to simplify their healthy eating journey, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.